Alright, today we're going to be making some adobo sauce, which is the master Mexican sauce used to make enchilada sauce and also mole, among so many other things. So you got to start out with 4 ancho chiles, which you need to take the stems and seeds out of. And then you also need about 6 guajillo chiles, which you also need to de-seed and de-stem. These chiles aren't about spice, it's just about the chile flavor. You're going to need something like 10 garlic cloves, or really as many as you'd like to use. Garlic is amazing. Look how raisiny. If you want a little extra heat, you can add some chile morita or chile de árbol. So once you've got all those seeded and stemmed, you're going to take them over to your stove and you are going to heat up some oil over medium heat. So in that oil, you're going to toast those chiles and you're going to see some dramatic color change if you've got it heated the right way. Watch how red. Ooh, beautiful. So flip it over once more and observe the Mexican magic. Beautiful. So put those chiles in boiling water and let them simmer for a while, and then grab yourself those garlic cloves. Throw those right into the oil. You're also going to add some onion. The next step, you're going to add a tablespoon each of allspice berries. Straight into the oil. Tablespoon of peppercorns, 4 bay leaves, a tablespoon of rosemary. Then once you've let that simmer for a little while, go ahead and strain it out and reserve that delicious infused oil. And add that mixture right back in to the boiling chiles. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of Mexican oregano, tablespoon of cumin, teaspoon of ground ginger, teaspoon of cloves, teaspoon of thyme, teaspoon of coriander, and let that simmer for a little while. About 3 minutes will do. Then you're going to drain all that directly into your blender jar and observe the steam poofs. Like a free sauna. Ooh, cauldron. Blend until you get a nice smooth paste, and then add 1 tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, tablespoon of brown sugar, and the zest of 1 lemon, or really any citrus. And if, like me, you happen to drop the lemon directly into the blender jar, just go ahead and pick that out. Don't worry, wash that off. It's still good. Probably even better. Woohoo. Hello. Delicious. So, there you have it. Beautiful adobo sauce. Ready to use as a marinade for meat. You can use it in chile colorado, mole, birria, pozole, anything you want. It's delicious as a marinade, too. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and sign up for notifications so you can see when I make more delicious food here on Sam Goes and Eats. See you next time.